Run on the money.
We have just received this important information regarding an abducted child in Federal Way, Washington, King County. Valley Communications Center is looking for a child who was last seen at 2626 Southwest 327 St. Federal Way, Washington, and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Carly Gaston. She is 8 years old, white female with brown hair and brown eyes. She is believed to be 3 feet and 6 inches, weighing 65 pounds. She was last seen wearing school uniform, blue turtleneck, blue pants, white Heeley roller shoes, curly ponytail. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of a man named Ben. He is a 24-year-old Pacific Islander male with black hair. He is believed to be 5 feet and 9 inches, weighing 140 pounds. He was last seen wearing black t-shirt, black and green army pants. They may be traveling in a silver-colored vehicle, of an unknown type. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact 253-372-1300 immediately.